Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up Victure WiFi Range Extender. If your router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this Victure WiFi Range Extender setup is one of the best solution. The Victure WiFi Range Extender is a device that helps boost your existing Wi-Fi signal and extend it to areas with weak or no coverage. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, unbox the extender box. Inside the Victure WiFi Range Extender box, you'll typically find just three essentials: the extender unit itself, a quick start/user guide, and usually a short Ethernet cable to help with setup if you prefer wired connection. Now plug your Victure Extender into a wall outlet near your router. Wait for about 30 to 60 seconds until the power light becomes solid. Find the WPS button on your router, usually marked WPS or with a circular arrow icon. Press and hold the WPS button on the router for 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED on the router should start blinking. This means it's in pairing mode. Within 2 minutes of pressing WPS on the router, press and hold the WPS button on your Victure Extender for 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED on the extender will begin blinking, indicating it's trying to connect. After about 30 to 60 seconds, the Wi-Fi/signal LED on the extender should turn solid green or blue, depending on the model. This means the extender is successfully connected to your main Wi-Fi. Now unplug the extender and move it to a location between your router and the area with weak signal. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.